Okay guys, today we're going to be going over how to modify an existing SBR. Okay guys, quick disclaimer, this is not legal advice. If you want official legal advice, go talk to your local attorney. Okay guys, so first off, this is an SBR. I'm sorry, I don't even own one technically. I own a couple AR pistols that aren't SBRs, but that's litigation that's happening right now. Anyway, discussion for another day. Anyway, so let's say you own an SBR. Let's pretend this is an SBR. Let's say you got it in like 300 blackout and like, I don't know, a 10-inch barrel or something like that. And you wanted to get like a 5.56, like maybe 12-inch barrel or something like that. And but you submitted your Form 1 already. You already have that SBR in a specific configuration, but you want to add various configurations, various lengths, various calibers, and stuff like that. You can essentially add as many as you would like. All you're going to do is you're going to send an email to the, you're going to send a letter to the ATF. I recommend that you do it certified mail, so that way you can have the receipt say, hey, yes, we got it. You don't have to do that, but that's just my personal opinion. It'll cost you a few dollars more. But you're just going to send a letter to the ATF in the following format. Essentially, address the ATF. You're going to say, hey, I would like to inform the Bureau Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms and Explosives, NFA branch, short-barreled rifle that was registered to me, ATF Form 1, with additional upper receivers and caliber configurations. And then put all that information in there, kind of as shown here. And then you just say here at the bottom something like, I'm requesting that a copy of this letter and letter from the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms and Explosives, NFA branch, stating that the Bureau of ATF, NFA branch has received this notification and has either approved or denied these additional configurations of short barrel rifle with serial number, We return it, will be returned to me at the following mailing address, okay, or email address, okay. And then just keep an eye out for when they approve it. And they'll just send you a letter, say, hey, yay, verily it is. I have read all over online. Some places say that, honestly, just sending the letters good enough to say, hey, look, I did my job. That's why if you're not going to wait for that response, at least send it and wait for certified mail, your certified mail of official receipt of your letter. So that way you have proof that, yes, I sent it, and yes, they received it, and they did not deny it. You can do that. And there are several examples you can go. In fact, I'm going to put a link in the description below to one of these letter generators. You just plug in your information and it spits it out for you for free. So that's pretty nice. It's pretty common for people who want to have multiple calibers or configurations of an NFA firearm. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. I think the NFA is a bunch of trash, if you ask me, but you know, we gotta follow the laws, so it is what it is. Okay guys, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please put those in the comments below. And always, thank you for watching.